How to use Walmart app to find clearance. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can find the clearance. So for this, you will have to open up the Walmart app and make sure that you are using the precise location option. So while starting the application, you will be able to find whether you want to write a pin code or use the precise location. So just use the precise location option. After that, you will be able to log into your application, and at the top you would be able to find the scanner option. It is in the search bar, so just select it, then allow it to record your camera and just point your camera to the barcode on any of the product which is in the store. This way you would be able to scan that particular product and find out the actual price of that particular product, because the price which is marked up in the store is not the actual price. Sometimes, or maybe most of the times, you would be able to find that the prices are actually lower than which is marked in the store. So this way you would be able to purchase the items on the discount and way cheaper than the price which is marked up. So that's how you use the Walmart app to find the clearance. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.